Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the short ready on your device first. Open the YouTube short and either copy its link or start a screen recording immediately. Screen recording preserves quality and removes UI clutter. Once done, stop recording and open your gallery. Make sure storage and microphone permissions are enabled so the file saves correctly. Now trim the clip to under 30 seconds using your phone's editor. Because WhatsApp status accepts clips up to 30, keep aspect ratio vertical for best display. Next, focus on clean edits so the short looks native in WhatsApp status. Open your video editor and cut to the exact 30-second segment that shows the main action. This ensures viewers see the highlight immediately. Then balance audio levels and add concise captions or stickers that reinforce the message, because many watch with sound off. Once satisfied, export as an MP4 vertical file with a moderate bitrate for faster uploads and smaller file size. This makes posting smoother and preserves decent quality. Finally, post the short to your WhatsApp status. Open status, tap add, choose the edited video, confirm the 30-second slice, and post. If upload fails, make sure the file is under WhatsApp limits. Compress or lower resolution and try again, because network and size are the usual culprits. If audio is missing, re-export using AAC audio or add a quick voiceover. Re-upload after confirming playback locally. These steps complete the process and handle the common errors you'll encounter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.